What's up, everyone? Welcome to another episode of my channel, and this is the episode 3 of my bike restoration series. So today I'm going to be installing the new Exos Racing pipe, which is the R6. So let me show you guys what's in the box. Of course, to start off, there's a lot of crap in here, so we'll take that out. Okay, and there's the pipe which connects to the engine and to the muffler, so we'll put this in there. And of course, the exhaust pipe, the muffler, it's got the bubble wrapping. Here's the new R6 exhaust system from Exos. It's a silent pipe and also a power pipe, but we'll see once it's installed. We'll make a sound check of how it sounds like once installed. Okay, put that on the bed. What else is in here? Nothing more, but oh, there's a spring. Okay, let me take this out. Okay, this is the lock spring for the pipe and the muffler. So I think this connects in there. There's a knob. Wait, let me take this out. There we go. So put this in there, then the other end is on the pipe. Okay, let me check. There it is. So the pipe connects from here to the muffler. So I'm gonna take this downstairs and install it on my bike. See you in a bit. Okay guys, I'm right outside and let's do this. Okay, so there you go, guys. That is the test ride for the new Exos R6 pipe. So far I'm pretty much happy about it. Let's put this trash out. Okay, so first, of course, today is the first day that I've tested it. Tomorrow I'm gonna be using it for the whole day, so we'll see about how this pipe will perform in the long term. So I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, ride safe, peace out.